Hi guys, this is Alan. Welcome back to this channel, Gaijin World. And today, pagpapatuloy natin yung ating Honmen, Karimen, or Moped mock-up exam. Sa video na to, pag-aralan natin yung mga Japan road signs na possible lumabas sa examination. Kaya, ano pang inaantay natin? Simulan na natin. So yan guys, kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung first part ng video na to, puntahan nyo yung description box at nandun yung link. So nandito na tayo sa part 2 and question number 11. So this sign indicates that only bicycles and pedestrians are allowed to pass. So pag nakita daw natin itong sign na to, ano ang ibig sabihin niyan? This sign indicates that only bicycles and pedestrians are allowed to pass. So ano sa tingin nyo? Is this true or false? So for me, pedestrians and bicycles ang sign na ito. So ibig sabihin kailangan lang ng caution pag dumaan, 'di ba? So I think the answer here is true. Let's see if the answer here is true. Parang hindi ako sure sa sagot ko no? In 3, 2, 1, mali. Sabi na nga ba kaya parang may doubt ako Only bicycles are allowed to pass through. Hindi siya, ito yung word na mali. Yan, pedestrian. So yan yung mali. Umpisa pa lang mali na. Ba yan? Okay, so ayan, tandaan nyo guys, kapag nakita nyo yung sign na to, pang bicycle lang siya. So hindi pwedeng maglakad dyan yung mga pedestrian. Okay, next question. Okay, question number 12. On roads with the sign, large freight vehicles, specified medium-sized vehicles, and large passenger vehicles must use the leftmost lane. Yan. So, nakalagay dito na priority or yung pinaka leftmost lane para daw yan dun sa mga truck. Okay, yung mga large freight vehicles, specified medium-sized freight vehicles, and large passenger vehicles must use the leftmost lane. So, I think the answer here is true. So, let's see if the answer here is true in 3, 2, 1. Mali na naman! Bakit? Large freight vehicles, specified medium-sized freight vehicles, and large special vehicles must use the leftmost lane, not including large passenger. Oh, okay. Ito ang mali. Itong word na to. Large passenger vehicle. Yan ang mali. So, ang gagamit lang daw, kapag sinabi mo kasing large passenger vehicles, yung mga private vehicles like van, di ba? Yung mga pang family car na medyo malalaki. So, yun. Na-include kasi siya dito. Yun, kaya pala ako mali. Okay. So, magandang review din to. Nare-review ako. Ayan. So, tandaan nyo guys, para lang to sa mga large freight vehicles. Okay. So, other than freight, mali ano siya. Hindi siya pwedeng gumamit ng lane na yun. Okay, next question. Okay, next question. Number 13. This sign indicates a safety zone and vehicles are not allowed to pass through except in unavoidable circumstances. So, ano ibig sabihin na to? Arrow na pababa. Arrow nga ba to? Parang hindi ko masyado nakikita to. This sign indicates a safety zone and vehicles are not allowed to pass through except in unavoidable circumstances. So I think, sige, try natin true. Hindi ako sure dito. In 3, 2, 1, mali nga, diba? False. Kasi yung sign daw na ito is passage through the safety zone is prohibited even under unavoidable circumstances. So kahit yung mga hindi maiiwasang mga situation, bawal dumaan kapag nakita ninyo itong sign na to. Kapag nakita niyo yung sign na yan, bawal daw dumaan dyan yung mga vehicles. Kasi pang safety zone lang talaga siya para doon sa mga tao na nag-i-stay sa safety zone. Okay, next question. Wala pa akong mali. Ay, wala pa akong tama. Grabe. Ayan. Okay, ito. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin niyang markings na yan or yung road sign na yan. In number 14, in areas marked with this sign, vehicles and streetcars must proceed at a reduced speed unless otherwise necessary. So, ang kanji na yan, ano ibig sabihin yan? I think this sign tells us na kailangan natin mag-slow down. Okay, slow down. So, in areas marked with the sign, vehicles are streetcars must proceed at a reduced speed unless otherwise necessary. So, I think the answer here is true. In 3, 2, 1. Ayan, tumama din. Slow down sign. You must slow down to a level where you can stop immediately. So, tandaan nyo guys, slow down ang ibig sabihin ng sign na yan. Okay, next question. Okay, this question, anong ibig sabihin yan? Warning sign to kapag yellow, di ba? Warning sign. So, number 15, this sign prohibits straight and left turns. Vehicles are not or are only allowed to make right turns. Are only allowed to make right turns daw. Prohibits straight and left turns. So warning sign kasi to para malaman na papakurve, parang papunta sa right side yung daanan. So I think this is true. So let's see if the answer here is true in 3, 2, 1. False. Bakit? Right bend. Dami kong mali dito sa video na to, nakakahiya. This is a warning sign that says right bend. Right bend. Okay, right bend. Ayan, right bend daw yan. Hindi ibig sabihin na prohibits straight and left turns. Vehicles are only allowed to make right turns. So hindi yan, so mali ang ano natin dyan, sagot. So ito daw yan ay right bend. Okay, next question. Oh, grabe yung refresher na to ah. Ngayon ko lang nasubukang sagutan to eh. Okay, next question. Oh, ito. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Yung kanji na yan, ibig sabihin senyo or ano? Exclusive nga ba to? Number 16, motorized bicycles, small special vehicles, and light vehicles are allowed to travel in the lane marked by the sign. So, di ba ginagamit ito, ayan, yung lane daw na yan kapag nakita ninyo, para yan doon sa mga, yan, yung ganyang itsura ng mga sasakyan, yung medyo malalaki. So, pag dumaan, bawal, allowed daw dumaan dyan yung mga motorized bicycles, small special vehicles, and light vehicles. Tingin ko mali ito. Kasi yung kanji na yan is parang exclusive para doon sa, dyan sa sasakyan na yan. So, let's see if the answer here is false in 3, 2, 1. Ngayon naman, true. True daw. Dedicated lane sign ang explanation. So, false daw to. This designated lane priorities specified vehicle type, but motorized bicycles, small special vehicles, and light vehicles are still allowed to pass. Priority lane pala to. Tama ba? Priority lane. So, it doesn't necessarily na hindi pwedeng dumaan dyan yung mga motorized bicycles, small special vehicles, and light vehicles are still allowed to travel in this lane marked by this sign. Ayan, tandaan natin yan. Okay, pwede pa rin naman daw dumaan dyan. Next question. Ayan, baka naman pag nagkamali pa ako dito, grabe naman yun. Okay, so ibig sabihin daw nito, number 17, this sign indicates the presence of schools, kindergartens, daycare facilities, and others. So, ano sa tingin ninyo? Warning sign yan na meron daw school nearby, kindergartens, daycare facilities, and other. Is this true or false? So, tingin ko this is true. So, let's see if the answer is true in 3, 2, 1. True. Ayan, tumama naman kahit papaano, di ba? Kasi ito daw ay preschool, kindergarten, school ahead sign. Sign indicating that there is a school, kindergarten, or nursery ahead. Okay, next question tayo. Ayan. So, ito na. Next question tayo. This sign indicates the necessity to make a right turn ahead. To make a right turn ahead. Parang this sign indicates the necessity to make a right turn ahead. Tingin ko mali to, false to. Kasi para siyang roundabout na na daanan eh. So I think this is false. In 3, 2, 1, false. Kasi siya ay, ito yung tinatawag nilang rotary warning sign indicating a roundabout. Ayan, roundabout. Ayan, tumama din. Okay, next question. Okay, ito tayo. Next question tayo. May nakalagay dyan 8 to 20. Ibig sabihin, yung number sign dyan is yung parang oras. So this sign indicates a no parking from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Is this true or false? Bawal daw mag-park between 8 a.m. 8 p.m. So is this true or false? I think this is true. True nga ba? Parking, hindi ba parking? Di ba pag double ganun, stopping? Stopping ba yun? Oh my God, patay tayo dyan. Parking ba to o stopping? Di ba yung isang line na ganun, ang tawag dyan is bawal mag-park. I think this is false. Sige, subukan natin ha. Let's see if the answer here is false in 3, 2, 1. Ayun, tumama. False to, false. Ayan. No parking and stopping allowed from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Pag may double, yan, parang X-Men, bawal mag-park at the same time, bawal mag-stop. Next question. Ayan, next question. Ito na ating next question, number 20. So, ito yung question number 20. This symbol represents a no step or a no two-step right turn sign, meaning that motorized bicycles are not allowed to make a two-step right turn. So, ano ba yung two-step right turn? Diba yung parang moped nakalagay? Punta mo na siya from A to B, then B to C. Dito naman, hindi daw, itong symbol na to, hindi daw ito ibig sabihin na two-step right turn sign. No two-step right turn sign. So, I think, tingin ko hindi, ito nga ba yun? Parang hindi ito yung markings ng two-step. Not sure. So, I think the answer here is false. False ata to. False. Sige. Try natin false. In 3, 2, 1. Yan, tama. False nga, false. Kasi ito ay no vehicle crossing sign. This sign is prohibiting vehicles from crossing. Bawal magdumaan, mag-cross. Okay? So, itong symbol na to, walang kinalaman dito yung two-step right turn sign para sa mga moped. Okay? So, ayun. Yun ang ating pa-mock-up exam. Tapos na ang ating examination for this video. So ayan guys, I hope may natutunan kayo. Sobrang daming mali na sinagot ko dito sa video na to. Pero sana nung kayo yung nag-take nitong exam na yan, yung mock-up exam natin na yan, mas marami kayong tama or lahat dapat tama, di ba? Para sure na sure ang inyong pagpasa sa driving licensure exam dito sa Japan. Like, share, and subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe. Mag-subscribe ka na at hit mo yung notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aming mga susunod pang i-upload ng mga videos at sa iba pa mga topics namin related sa pamumuhay namin dito sa Japan. Puntahan nyo ang aming YouTube homepage. I-click nyo yung playlist dahil marami kaming playlist dito na makakatulong sa inyong pamumuhay dito sa Japan. Thank you so much again for watching. This is Alan. And I will see you on our next video. Huwag niyong kalimutang i-check yung mga videos na lalabas ngayon dito sa screen. Bye!